We're here with a 2010 Topps Triple Threads box break. So to everyone who bought spots, good luck. Alright, the way I do it is the two little mini boxes inside, I open one at a time. And I'm going to pull normally there's two cards in the back after the hit. So I'm going to pull those up front. Alright, here's the first pack. Let's see what we got. There's the back too. Alright. First card is Santonio Holmes of $4.99, John Elway of $99, Peyton Manning of $13.50, Matt Forte of $13.50, Deshaun Jackson of $13.50, and the hit, 3-player, Des Bryant, Demarius Thomas, and Dexter McCluster, rookie receivers. It's numbered out of 36. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 15 patch. Alright, there's the first hit. Next box. This one should be the auto in this box. Here we go. Pull these two up. Alright, Ronnie Lott of $4.99, Felix Jones of $2.99, Lee Evans of $13.50, Tom Brady of $13.50, Sidney Rice of $13.50, and the hit is a rookie, Charles Scott, numbered 5 of 25, auto and 3 patch, Philadelphia Eagles. Alright, there's the break. I'll ship these out as soon as I can. Keep looking at my other auctions.